Exploring digital libraries of scientific articles is an essential task to the research community, in both academia and industry. Traditional mechanisms display stored information without almost visual resources. They present briefly textual information by article, in a list-based layout that does not allow exploratory operations. If instead of having an article as a reference, the user has an image, the process of finding and explore articles with similar content becomes almost impossible. We propose a two-step method for exploring and analyze scientific document collections by combining image and textual information extracted from articles. Multi-CBIR view allows us to input up to 5 images and then obtain a similarity-based ordered list of images by each query. The similarity can be defined from a distance measure between feature vectors. Each query is represented by a different color in the multidimensional projection view. This component maps all the papers of the dataset. Textual information from each document gives rise to a high-dimensional vector that represents the document. Control points are mapped with its respective color of query, and green points correspond to the rest of papers. Linked items. Through hovering over an image or point, Drift will highlight a document and its contained images displayed among components. List-based selection refinement view shows the list of selected documents, depicting the title and DOI. Selection content summarization view. Drift shows a histogram with the most cited authors, a word cloud with information of paper's content, and its year publication histogram. Selection inspector view represents selections made by the analyst. Each selection is composed of the number of images, documents, and authors. They are displayed with their respective color of layers. User interaction with control points. The analyst can move the control points based on the analysis obtained with the other components. Then, make a selection and add it to the Selection Visual Manager. Choosing A and B states makes it possible to compare them for filtering. State Manager view. This view displays titles, authors, and images. Besides, it adds the option to select the most important documents for the analyst. Finally, a more filtered state containing pertinent items could be generated.